Here I have ZYREX ZA987, and let me show you how to insert here micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start here by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and tab OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. Let's open the following back cover. Let's do it step by step. And now you can open the ZYREX. So let's open the ZYREX by using the following cavity. Let's open this battery. And here you can insert 3 cards. You can insert one regular SIM card right here at the bottom. But in my case, let me leave this slot empty. Let me insert the second SIM, the micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. You need to put this card right here and press it to the end. Alright, now let's insert the micro SD. Here I have micro SD with the characteristic edge right here, and put this card in that position also to the end. Now let's close the battery, close the back cover protection, and simply switch on the device. Let me show you how to do it. The ZYREX is turning on. Alright, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Now you can choose settings. Here with information about the SD card. You can also choose here more and connect your device to one of the mobile network. You need to wait until the SIM card will be initiating, and here you will be able to use the mobile network. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.